Hi, I am Shoaib Zafar, your instructor in the course Python 3 Foundations. The purpose of this course and this channel is to promote data science education. So, next we will be discussing that what will be our teaching methodology. We will be having lectures on YouTube and quizzes and hands-on exercises in Jupyter Notebook. Exercises will be posted on LinkedIn page and YouTube channel. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on LinkedIn to stay updated. What will be studying in the course? It will be expression and statements in Python. It will be control structures in Python like for loop, while loop, if statements, and different data types in Python like list, dictionaries, and tuples. We will also see how to write functions in Python. It's a beginner level course and requires no programming experience.